Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 16th May 2020, Saturday. Now we'll see the market analysis for the next week from 18th to 22nd. 18th May to 22nd May. Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stocks. How to trade for the next week, and also on Monday 18th May how we have to trade Nifty, Bank Nifty and few stocks. Straight away we'll go to the Nifty daily chart. Nifty will go first. This is Nifty chart. Right, so go a little bit down. This is Nifty weekly chart, right? So this is Nifty weekly chart and this is the week closing. So closing basis, if you see the week is closed below the last week close. That there is no much trend if you see on a intraday daily candlesticks. But here the trend is down, right? So on a weekly time frame, if you see the demand is here. So 8,900 and 8,820. So in the coming week, this level is very important, 8,800. This is most important level for the coming week. On the upper side, if you see this week high 9,580, that means 9,600 roughly. So the weekly range for the week from Monday to Friday, the week starting from 18th to 22nd, the levels are key levels to watch out is higher side 9,600 and lower side 8,800. Based on these levels, we can have a option strategies, right? So those who are trading options, they can have a strategy based on these two levels for the next week. Now coming to the daily time frame, this is the daily chart of the Nifty. If you see the Fibonacci levels, so still it is trading in the range 8,980 and 9,350. So this range has not broken from last couple of days on a closing basis. If you see the closing within the range only, except this one day. So the range has not broken. So we have to see this week also maybe consolidation, right? So for coming to the Monday trading, we will see the Monday trading levels. So we'll go to the 15 minutes chart and we'll see the levels for Monday trading. So these are the levels for Monday trading. You can note down. Right, so the demand is at 9,070 and 9,050 for Monday, and supply is 9,280 and 9,255. right, these are the zones to be noted for Monday trading. In supply area, we can sell and keep a stop loss above this. In demand area, we can buy and we can keep a stop loss below 9,050. So this is only for Monday, that is 18th May. Now we'll see for the Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty weekly chart. See, from last week and this week it is in a consolidation mode. Previous week was a big fall and this fall is not corrected up to 50%. It is corrected only around 38.2% only. So now for the coming week from 18th to 22nd May, the levels is like this. The higher side 22,000, on the lower side 17,000. So this range is most important. I am not expecting to break this range for the next week. So this, based on these levels, you can have your option strategy for the week. Now we'll see on a daily time frame. This is the daily chart. So this maybe this area it tested here, so 18,500, and higher side this 20,000. So 18,500 and 20,000 is the zone for the coming 1 or 2 days, right? Maybe Monday these levels to be noted. And for exclusive trading on Monday, we'll see on a 15-minute chart and we'll plot the levels, right? So this is 15 minutes chart. This is the Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. These are the levels for Monday trading. So demand zone is 18,430 and 18,300. This zone will act as a demand, and the supply is 19,300 and 19,430. This is the zone where the Bank Nifty face high resistance. So this area we can go for a short and keep a stop loss above this. If comes to this area, buy, keep a stop loss below this. The trend is sideways, always buy on a lower side, sell on higher side. So this is the strategy for Monday trading Bank Nifty. Friends, for Monday trading, I selected 3 stocks. One is M&M, another is Biocon, and HCL Tech. These 3 stocks I selected for Monday trading. So I'll give the trade plan for these 3 stocks. This is M&M. So M&M this last trading day, yesterday, that is Friday, this was the candle, a bearish candle. And for trading on Monday, I'll give the trade plan for that. So this is the trade plan for Monday, M&M. So it is a shorting opportunity, not for buying. This is the entry, 390 rupees is a shorting, and keeping a stop loss at 394, and a target is 375. So this is my trade plan for Monday, M&M, right? So this is M&M for Monday only. Mahindra and Mahindra for Monday trading, right? Now we'll see Biocon also. This is Biocon daily chart. If you see the price action, here the drop, this is the supply area, previous supply, and this supply broken here and went up, consolidated, and again coming to the previous supply. Normally any previous supply will act as a demand. So I am taking this as a demand zone, right? So now for Monday trading, we'll see the levels and how we have to trade. I am going to trade on a positive side on Monday, right? So straight away we'll go to 15 minutes chart and we'll see where we have to buy this stock, right? So I'll remove this also. Now we see this is the consolidation area. So what I am doing is I am going to buy in this area, that is 325 to 320 zone, So this is my entry, and I'm keeping stop loss below this, right, and aiming a target here, right. So this is my target. So this is a simple trade plan. 1:2, 2.82 is the risk to reward. So this is for Biocon on Monday trade. So Monday trade for Biocon, this you can note down the levels and according to that you can trade. But strict stop loss is important. Now I'll go and see the HCL Tech. This is HCL Tech. So if from 500 to this high, so 550, yeah, 550. So it is consolidating in between 500 and 550 for couple of days. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trading days it is consolidating here. So either we have to see for the breakout for a positional trade, for intraday trade, how we have to trade. For only for on Monday, this is that my trade plan. This is my buy area around 507 and keeping a stop loss below 504, that is 503.50 paisa or somewhere. And on the highest side, my target is 514. 1:2 is risk to reward ratio. Friends, I explained about 3 stocks for trading on Monday. So we'll see on Monday how we trade these stocks. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and write some comments on the commentary. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.